In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Retool app. Duplicating is a quick way to create a safe copy of an existing app so you can experiment, prototype a new version, or spin up a template without touching the original. I'll show you exactly where to click and share a few helpful tips so you know what to expect once the copy is created. Start on the Retool dashboard, the main page where your apps are listed. This is your hub for projects, and it shows app cards or rows along with folders and access details. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar or any filters available to find what you need more quickly. Make sure you're working in the correct workspace or environment so you're looking at the right set of applications. Find the app you want to copy. It helps to double-check that you've picked the original version you intend to replicate, especially if your team keeps multiple variations of the same app. If you don't see the app, confirm that you have the necessary access and that you're not filtered to a subset of apps. Hover over the app name or card and look for the three dots icon, often called the More menu. Click that menu to open the actions available for this app. This is where Retool keeps common app-level options, so it's the same place you'd go for things like renaming, moving, or other administrative actions. Choose Duplicate or Duplicate App from the menu. Retool will immediately create a new copy of that app. Typically, the duplicate will appear right in your list with a similar name, sometimes with the word copy added, depending on your setup. The duplicate includes all the same components and queries, so the layout, UI elements, and data logic are preserved. That makes it ideal for trying out new designs, testing a different workflow, or preparing a staging version. Keep in mind, the duplicate points to the same underlying queries and resources the original used, unless your organization has specific rules in place. That means it can behave exactly like the original. If you're planning to test changes that could affect real data, it's a good idea to be mindful of your environment and resource settings before making edits. That's all there is to it. You start on the dashboard, locate the app, open the three dots menu, and select Duplicate. You now have a fully functional copy ready for safe experimentation, while the original remains untouched. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with confidence in Retool.